Okay, today I completely took the new motor off the salvage unit and put it on the old univent. And this, I tested the heat. I did not have the heat functional, even though it's hot in the summertime. I have to have the heat working for wintertime. This is the salvage unit where I got the new motor, and this is the blower. It's very rusty, and I think that threw the motor off and burned it out. Here's the old motor. It's the one Douglas purchased when Dad was sick. That's a 7.5 picofarad capacitor. The new one has a 10 picofarad capacitor. There's the new motor. AC is working. I got it on AC now. Let's see. There. This unit's been replaced. So, heat coming out of here. It's just a matter of time before it starts dripping water.